Ashley and I were daydreaming what we would do if we won the lottery. She said I'd hire a cook so I could just say, "Hey, make me a sandwich." I said, "Not me. I already have one of those." You're welcome.
So today's plan is to get this back half of the garage, the gable part, done. And then I think we'll tie back it all because we have the window that we can put in over here. And the door, the big garage door, should be getting put in on Sunday. So that's great.
Where did I put my marks now? There, here, the corner, oh, over that corner. Here's one.
Yeah.
Headless nail.
Huh.
This pops right back out. Good.
Yep.
This picnic table makes a nice
It
workbench.
does.
Hey, you want to hold this?
Like up here, right? Obviously, I'm not holding that little tiny piece.
Just, yeah. You hold that.
Yeah, there goes my fingers.
You ready?
Nice.
2. Nice job. The chicken shepherd.
Here comes the chickens.
You out of the way?
Yep, gone.
I'm going to whip that cord around the other side.
Yeah.
So just cut it off. See,
Yeah. Yeah.
Like a glove.
If I can just find a parking spot. Like a glove.
Oh my land, Jeremy, one of the chickens is gonna jump into the pig's pen.
Where?
Look at her, she's standing on top of the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my land, one of the chickens is on top of the pig's house. The white chicken went back in her cage and can't get out, so Sam's chasing her. Look at this chicken. She's just been climbing up onto the pig's pen. Now she made it onto their roof, tormenting them. Oh, she's bad. That's hilarious. Oh, there's 2 on the roof.
Right?
2 are on the pig's roof. Look at all the chickens up there. That is so funny. Clearly these ones can fly. Whoa, way to go. Check on her heel. What about you, bud? You gonna fly off? Yeah. Hey, Huey. Hey, buddy. You girls. So funny. Uh-oh, here comes a tree to poke Dad. Golly.
Here's my sword.
Here, turn around and get a stick in the eye.
Yeah.
Silly girl. That looks good.
Huh?
Looks good.
I was gonna try to scan it over as far as I could.
You're right. Don't waste my time. All the way to the end, yeah?
Yeah, just go on top of the thing. On top of the.
Okay.
So we're at the same height.
Okay.
Not on an angle. You right to the end?
Yep.
Hey! Oh, there's those things there. For the garage.
Yeah,
Here?
I can take them. Let's go put them at the door.
So we get the garage door coming tomorrow.
No, the
Or no, we have the garage
installer.
door here getting installed tomorrow.
Yeah.
This here, 2x12, we have 2x12 header. That's overkill. We actually didn't need it that much, but that's another story I mentioned in another video. But anyways, we have it, so whatever, it doesn't matter. But this here, so we had to get another one though because we already have that one up there. To build out that header, this was $70. But it was $70, $68.99. That's before the tax.
Yeah.
And then here in New Brunswick, you get slammed with 15% tax.
Mm-hmm.
So that's brutal. But that's our most recent one. And I remember she called, and they said, they say?
They said that it would be cheaper to buy, they didn't have any other sizes than a 16. It would be cheaper to buy a 16 foot than a 14 foot because this had been there for a while, so they haven't done any new orders. So it would be on the old price,
But
like
it would
before
be
it went up.
cheaper than even...
Than buying a 14 foot somewhere else
But
if
a
it was a
16
new
though.
order. Yeah. So
Or
this is
either
a
or.
16.
14's an oddball size, so sometimes they're cheaper too.
Yeah, but he said this would be cheaper than buying a 14 foot elsewhere if it came in more recently.
There's no
because
way.
the prices go up. But then, yeah, $70 for
Because
one
$70,
freaking
that
thing.
is on the high. That is a high.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
So anyway, we were really shocked when we got that. We were shocked.
I mean, we had to get it, so it is what it is, and
Yeah.
there was nowhere else. Where we usually deal with didn't have anything. So.
No. Even Home Depot didn't have the size we needed.
But it probably would have been that anywhere. It was just that he thought like he was on that old order.
So it would have been
Right?
cheaper. But it
Yeah,
definitely was not.
But it wasn't. It is what it is. It's
Yeah.
not like they're making the prices.
No, we're not mad at the company. We're just shocked at the price of wood.
It was just
That's for
crazy
sure.
that it was that price. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking that if this is the old stock,
Holy
that's
mackerel.
still $70. What is it now? $150?
Yeah, I know.
Anyways, it was expensive. Good thing we only needed one.
You're right.
We bought just those two pieces of bracket there, right?
Yeah.
The 6-foot thing for the garage, those two pieces that we just pulled out.
Yep.
And this, it was $134.
Right, yep.
New Brunswick taxes are nuts though too, 15% on everything. It's by far the most expensive province we've lived in. And we lived in,
lot.
We've lived in Ontario, New Brunswick, Manitoba, Alberta. We've lived like for years in each one of those.
Yeah.
Alberta's only 5%. Manitoba was not that much more, I can't remember.
I don't remember either.
Anyways, New Brunswick's expensive.
So we're just going to build out the header with this, and then we'll put that other 2x12 on.
You know what's a bonus with this? Is that it was like a piece that came with the garage.
The garage door.
So this is like getting an extra $100.
Yeah, right. Yeah. There you go. We win some, we lose some.
Good. Man, I feel like I need to throw on my toque.
It's cold, I know.
The weather's changing again.
Yeah. Cut her 8.5-ish.
That was 8 foot, the last one. What's up? What's up, chicken? That's one of the original OGs.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Hello. Let me pet ya. Let me pet ya.
Silly girl. I'm starving.
I'm pretty hungry too.
We're gonna have to break already.
Let's get the header out.
Oh, fine. A cold day today.
Yeah, now it wouldn't even be cold, honestly, if it wasn't for being so warm the last.
Yeah, right. What's the temperature today?
I don't know.
Me either. No idea. Run, little chickens, run. Over to the sandbox. Have fun.
There's about a million friggin' nails coming through where we put the plywood on now. It's nice, eh? That's a disadvantage of having that done. You want on that ladder?
Yeah, it don't matter to me.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
have to
get
do
over
more
there.
work.
Or you're right, as long as you hold it.
Yeah, I'll
while I'm
hold
hammering
it.
Because there's going to be no ledge.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, right. That's
gonna
unfortunate.
Let you come up here, but. You said I was gonna. We gotta bend some nails
frig.
over, frig.
I gotta put a hammer too, don't I?
Where's your belt, bud?
Should I just put this down?
Yeah, whatever. Don't drop
So
it.
we gotta
though.
hammer all that? No, I feel like my hammer's in here though. Somewhere. Yeah.
Got it.
All right.
This goes 8 feet, so you're good. Oh, yeah, you're good. 8 feet, 8. Got it?
Hope so.
Hopefully it fits.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Damn it, I wish I brought nails. Spikes.
You got it?
Yeah.
You just gotta tack it. Because we got a spike.
Next thing?
The header.
Right. Just into it.
Should be good not to come out the other side. They tried to go on an angle.
Yeah.
Definitely want to angle the spikes.
Oh yeah. But not the next ones because they have to go through 3 things. Should all be good now.
We got 2 nails left. You have no belt. Perfect. We're good.
Does this matter that there's a piece missing here? That this is way shorter?
Is that the right piece? Maybe it's,
Must be the wrong piece then, eh?
it doesn't matter.
No. Well then, good enough.
Can you get that up higher?
Oh yeah, it is now.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, one little spot. Ain't gonna make or break now, is it?
Nope.
What?
No, it's only.
Oopsie.
You couldn't go on an
I was on
angle,
a
eh? You
roll.
just straight through.
Oh yeah.
Let's just hope that it's all right.
Well, I'll just
Just
do that.
bend it over. Okay, all right. Chill out. Freaking header right out.
Yeah, right.
I should have just nailed
I forgot
that
you
one.
literally just said to go on an angle. Oops, I kick you?
So you probably want on this one ladder now, eh?
I guess.
It's a lot more sturdy.
Guess we better go get some more thingy-mabobbers, nails.
No, I got a whole pouch full, but I'm ready.
Oh, okay.
Eh?
Oh, yeah. I didn't know I was hammering
I thought we were working
anything.
today.
I didn't
I just
know
automatically
I didn't
assumed.
know I was hammering anything.
Well, you don't have to. It may take half the day watching you spike.
Yeah.
You could just hold it.
Huh?
You could just hold it up there, yeah.
Yeah.
When we get it.
Yep.
All right. This ends up.
Yeah, I see that
I drew the
arrow.
arrow on it. That's the side that's up.
What does it matter?
That's the bow. Like it.
You drew that arrow?
Yeah, it just literally did it in front of you.
I was like, oh, they did that. That's weird.
Nope. Oh yeah. Imagine they checked that for you.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking.
That'd be why you paid $70.
I
You
guess
paid for a
so.
bow check.
You're right.
That's $10. Oops. Red eye glass on. I was gonna lift it with my head. So it's.
Towards the house there? That's like
So we flip this way?
Yeah.
All right, you got it?
Yeah. Yes, it just falls.
Yeah, wham. Are you
know
tight
what?
there?
No. Yeah, like to the end, yeah.
Can you come my way a touch?
Yeah. I don't know how, but.
How are you now?
Yeah, I'm so good.
I'm just making up the difference.
Okay.
Good?
Oh, yeah.
Is that gonna stay?
I don't know.
Just kind of let go for a sec.
I don't know if it will.
Can you get a nail in it or no? Why don't we just go and do this?
Scary.
Yeah, she's got a little wang to her, hey?
Oh, yeah.
$70, that should have been
Beauty.
perfect.
I know, right? No wangs.
Should have been maple.
Maple, yeah.
All hardwood.
Mm.